Hello everyone. In this video, we will create a gemstone. In my future tutorials, I'll refer back to this video whenever we need to work with gemstones, so you'll know how to create one. This way, I won't have to explain the process in detail in every video where I use gemstones. Let's get started. Let's begin by deleting the base sphere and adding a UV sphere. In the sphere settings, set the resolution to 8x2. Press Validate. Switch to the front view, select the Cell Mask tool and choose Rectangle, masking the lower part of the UV sphere. Then, using the Gizmo tool, move the polygons downwards. Clear the mask. Enable Wireframe Display. Go into Multi-Resolution, uncheck Keep Triangles, and check Linear Subdivision. Click Subdivide. Now go to the MISC section and set Target Triangles to 100. Click Decimate. Enable radial symmetry along the y-axis with a value of 8. We'll mask these polygons using the Mask tool. Invert the mask, then take the Gizmo tool and move the polygons upward. Clear the mask. Mask these parts of the stone. Invert the mask and move the polygons upward. Clear the mask. Select these polygons. Invert the mask. Choose the Gizmo tool. Pull the polygons upward and to the sides, then clear the mask. You can also clear the mask here by clicking Clear. We mask these polygons. Invert the mask as well. You can also invert the mask by pressing the Invert button in this menu. Select the gizmo, pull the polygons up and to the sides. Clear the mask. The stone looks like an octahedron. Let's fix this by manipulating the polygons in the same way. The spike of this stone consists of 8 polygons and we need 16. I will move these polygons up. Let's add another UV sphere with the sphere settings. We need to set the resolution to 16x2. Press Validate. Use the Mask tool to mask these polygons. Invert the mask, take the Gizmo tool and move the polygons downward. Clear the mask. Adjust these parts to fit each other. I'll enable a prepared silhouette image of the stone to guide us and match our stone to the correct proportions. I'll use the same functions as before for this. Mask, invert the mask and gizmo. Combine these two parts using the Boolean function. Turn off the reference image and then I'll continue to adjust the stone's render settings. In the material settings, select refraction and I'll keep experimenting with the render settings. I've also added some colorful light sources since I wanted some colorful highlights. The main focus of this video is not the render, but the process of building the stone. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. I hope you found it helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tutorials and creative journeys. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and until next time, happy sculpting.